Unpack the machine. Take of the transportation straps. Remove the foil from the Z-axis. Take a wrench 13 and remove the wooden structure. All accessories are packed in the boxes on the plasma table. Remove the tie rips, allowing the upper train to move freely. Now take the boxes with the accessories, which include the hand torch. This is an upgrade of the Pritec Spark plasma cutters, which makes hand cutting possible. Make sure the machine is free of all accessories. Attach lifting straps to the yellow lift plates and lift the machine from the pallet. Then place it in the right place. In the black Pritec box, you can find the Quick Start. Scan the QR code for the instructions. Remove the lifting straps from the yellow lift plates and take an Allen key 6 to remove the lift plates from the machine. Take the M8x16 stainless steel bolts with washers from the black Pritec box and place them in the holes where the yellow lift plates were. Please note, spray this in advance with mounting spray to prevent damage to the thread, and tighten it with a 5mm Allen key. Turn the cutting strips that are mounted upside down with the points facing upwards. Fill the waterbed with water up to the points of the cutting strips. Check that the table is level and adjust the machine feet if necessary, using a wrench 17. If the machine is level, you can tighten the machine feet with a 24 wrench. When the waterbed is filled with water, the plasma fluid can be added. The mixing ratio is 20:1. So for 20 litres of water, 1 litre of liquid is added. Take the parts of the screen support out of the black Pritec box. Attach the steel tube to the machine with the two M8x20 bolts with flange nuts. Tighten it with a wrench 13 and Allen key 5. Now take the aluminum tube and place it over the steel tube. Mount the star knob and bolt in the desired hole. Take the mouse and keyboard support plate out of the box and attach it to the aluminum tube with the U-bracket, M8 nuts and washers. Tighten the bolts with a 13 wrench. Remove the foil from the touchscreen PC and attach the mounting bracket with the supplied bolts. Tighten the bolts with a Phillips screwdriver. Attach the touchscreen PC to the aluminum tube with the two M6x12 bolts and M6 flange nut. Tighten this with a 10mm wrench and 4mm Allen key. Secure the cable along the tube with the Velcro cable ties and plug the USB and power cable into the touchscreen PC. Place batteries in the keyboard and mouse and place them on the support plate. Unwrap the welding goggles and place them in the tool tray. A starter kit with torch consumables is optional. You can also place it in the tool tray. Then cut the tie rib so that the power cord can be plugged into the wall socket. Unpack the plasma source. The 380 volts plasma sources do not have a plug mounted. This is because your wall socket requires a 4 or 5 wire plug in various shapes and sizes. You must therefore mount this yourself. Plug the plasma hose connector into the plasma source, and also the remote control cable and earth plug. Remove the rear cover plate with a 5mm Allen key so that the drain valve can be reached, and then you can attach the earth clamp. If there is no earth connection in the wall sockets, it is advisable to earth the machine properly with an earth pin. After attaching, replace the cover plate. Then the plasma source can be plugged into the wall socket. And the air hose can be connected. The plasma cutter uses an average of 280 litres per minute at a pressure of 5.5 bar. Open the Pritec controller software. Mount the desired nozzle composition. The plasma cutting table is now ready for use.